If you are planning to get married in Miami or anywhere in Miami-Dade County, you have to get your marriage license through the Miami-Dade Clerk of the Courts. But you do not need to pay the maximum fee. And if you are a Florida resident, you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed mental health counselor here in Florida. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the Miami-Dade process works, what to bring to the courthouse, and a legal loophole to save $25 on your application fee. Let's look at the financial breakdown. The standard fee for a marriage license in Miami-Dade County is $86. However, under Florida Statute 741.0305, if you complete a registered 4-hour premarital course, like the official course we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by $25. That brings your total cost at the clerk's office down to just $61. Next is the waiting period. If you or your partner are Florida residents, state law requires a mandatory 3-day wait from the exact moment your license is issued before you can actually get married. But if you present our Cadenza Counseling Completion Certificate when you apply, the Miami-Dade Clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. Your license becomes effective immediately, allowing you to get married the very same day. Securing this $25 discount and immediate effective date is simple. You just need to take our state-registered online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course takes 4 hours, but it is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can complete it from your smartphone or laptop. Best of all, it only costs $14.49. Once you finish reading the final section, your official certificate is generated and emailed to you instantly. When you are ready to get the license, you and your partner must appear together in person at the Miami-Dade Marriage License Bureau, located in the Harvey Reuven Building downtown, or at a district court location. Bring your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate and valid government-issued photo IDs like a driver's license or a passport. Be prepared to provide your social security numbers as well. The clerk will verify your certificate, drop your fee to $61, and issue your license right there. To claim your $25 Miami-Dade discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace today. If you have any questions about getting married in Miami, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding.